Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Sapien wallet address on Binance. As you know, Sapien just get listed on Binance Spot, and if you want to transfer your Sapien token from other wallets or airdrop, you need to find the wallet address first, and I will show you in this video step by step. So watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then as you can see, there is advance here. You can click it, and then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then in the search box here you can search Sapien. This one you can click it, and then you can choose the network, which is only base. And this is the Sapien wallet address on Binance. You can copy it or send it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.